Hi, this is Todd Olthoff, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. Apple is close to the release of macOS Monterey, which comes with changes and updates to Apple's built-in suite of applications. In this show, we will be taking a look at the media applications that are built into macOS Monterey, including the music, podcasts, TV, and books applications, and how each of those applications work to manage your media. In the process of looking at these media applications, we will also take a look at some of the system audio options that work with AirPlay 2 devices, which allow you to play your media across your network and home and keep all of that audio in sync. So let's get started by taking a look at how media is managed in macOS Monterey. Okay, so as we get started here, I just thought I would show you the different applications that we'll be covering in this screencast. What Apple has done is broken up the actual media applications into their different parts. In the past, everything used to be under iTunes. Now everything is in different applications. And I just wanted to show you too that these same applications are present on your iOS devices. So what makes it nice is that you can tell the difference between both. You'll get the same experience on the desktop that you'll get on your iOS devices, and it just makes things flow nicely. So obviously we have the music application, which is where all of our music will sit. We have our podcasts for all of our different podcasts that we listen to. Anything related to video media, other than like music videos, will show up in the Apple TV application. So all of the movies and TV shows and Apple TV Plus service, all of that will show up there. And then you have books. So any books that you buy from Apple will show up here, including the ability to add PDFs and some of your own books into the application to be able to view as well. So that just gives you a brief overview. Again, like I said, it works both on the desktop and on your iOS devices, which is really nice because you can take all of your media with you. Let's get started by digging into the Apple Music application. So here we are over on the Apple Music interface. And as you can see, we've got the same typical sidebar with the controls across the top and then the content in the middle. Now, a few things I want to point out in terms of organization. You'll notice over here I've got a number of sections. I've got an Apple Music section, and this is for the Apple Music subscription, where all of that information is in here. Then we have a library area where we have that music broken down based on my library. So this would be music that I've added myself or music that I've downloaded from Apple Music. And so there's some overlaps here in terms of the content. You can see I have devices here so that my iPhone or iOS devices that I have connected will show up here in order to help me manage my music. And then I've got playlists down here. Now there is one more thing that I can add to the sidebar, and that is iTunes. If you wanted to go to the iTunes store to buy music as opposed to just stream it, by default, it's turned off. But if I just come up here to Preferences, and if I come down here, I can show the iTunes Store, and I can also show star ratings and some other information. I'm just going to go ahead and say OK there. And so what it's going to do now is add the iTunes Store right here. And you can see I have Store so that I can get into that as well. So what I'm going to do is cover all of these items. The first thing I'm going to start with is Apple Music, because Apple Music is Apple's subscription service. And I want to show you here just in terms of price. I'm just going to pull up the website here. You can see that you can get Apple Music as a student, as an individual, or as a family. And if you do the family plan, you can have 6 users working on it at the same time, where they would have their own libraries, but they can access the service. Here's individual, and here's the student version. And you can see all of the different things that are included in what's added. The other thing, too, is Apple Music is a part of the Apple One service, which includes all of these things in the service, including the family plan for Apple Music. So that's another option, and that's $29.99 a month for that, for unlimited access to all of these, including your storage. So this is a good deal right here if you are using all of these applications. If not, then you can subscribe using the different subscription options right here.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.